Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nana, and yeah, this is my first video and directly interacting with you guys. Oh my god, this feels so unreal. Trust me, I won't let you guys down, and I just want to say thank you so much. So yeah, let's start the video. So first of all, I want to make few things clear about this purple haul. This was the very first time I shopped from this website, and I am someone who has been shopping all the makeup products and skincare products from Nykaa. I have legit been a hardcore spender on Nykaa. Trust me, it's been almost around 5 years. I never relied on any other website or any other shopping app, and I only shopped from Nykaa because एक trust build हो जाता है between a customer and a brand. It's very stupid of me that I never tried anything else apart from Nykaa. I don't know why I didn't try it, and I am personally very happy shopping from Purple because I wanted to buy a few skincare products from Biotique, and I saw that Nykaa पे Biotique पे बिल्कुल भी डिस्काउंट नहीं था. It was on MRP, so I thought why not try Purple. इतना ज़्यादा उसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो रही है and I'm getting good reviews about Purple, so I thought let's just see कि वहाँ पे क्या डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे हैं. And there was a huge margin. There was a huge margin between Nykaa's discount range and Purple's discount range. एंड जहाँ डिस्काउंट मिलता है बंदा वहीं जाता है. सो मैंने भी ट्राई किया एंड आई वॉज वेरी स्कैर्ड के पता नहीं कैसे प्रोडक्ट्स आएंगे बिकॉज शुरू में पर्पल का दे वर सेइंग के प्रोडक्ट्स खुले हुए हैं, दे आर यूज्ड एंड दिस एंड दैट, एंड स्टिल आई थॉट गिव इट अ ट्राई. कोई बात नहीं, देखी जाएगी. फॉर द पैकेजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, A1, ट्रस्ट मी, A1 पैकेजिंग. मतलब कि आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू दिस इज़ हाउ एवरीथिंग केम. And it also had a proper plastic wrapped on the whole package. अब ज़्यादा टाइम लिए बिना आपका let's just start the haul. मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा. Yeah, starting off with Biotique. I got this Bio Wheat Germ Night Youthful Nourishing Night Cream, and I don't know how this works and what it feels. I actually got this for my mother and उनको try करना था ये. So yeah, let's see कैसा काम करता है. And I got this for, okay, its MRP is 230, as you can see. I don't know if it's visible. Its MRP is 230 and I got this for 156. And this is how it, okay, it comes with this lid and stuff. अगर आपने Biotique के products use किए हैं, so their packaging is great. This is how it is, pure white in color. Okay, anyways, I would prefer कि मैं आपको products दिखा दूँ and then we'll see. I may come up with another video with the first impressions of all of these products. Probably mostly makeup products. Let's see how this video goes. So yeah, second I got this Bio Almond Nourishing Night Eye Cream. Eye cream. And I have used anti-fatigue cream from this Biotique and it was very 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 good. And yeah, उस क्रीम के बारे में, दैट आई क्रीम, इट वॉज़ वेरी गुड. इट वॉज सो सूदिंग ऑन अंडर आइज. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता था समटाइम्स व्हेन आई यूज़ टू फील वेरी टायर्ड एंड यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा डार्कनेस आ जाता था बिकॉज आई वर्क ऑन लैपटॉप ऑल्सो. सो उस वजह से जब मैं रात को वो क्रीम लगा के सोती थी एंड द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, I don't know how it worked, क्या था उस क्रीम में, but it used to reduce those darkness under my eyes. Maybe it was because of that stress and tiredness जो थोड़ा सा darkness आ जाता है under eyes में. So हाँ, उस चीज़ को reduce करने में that cream has helped me a lot. So I thought why not try something new from this Biotique's under eye cream range. So let's see how this one works, and I will keep you updated on skincare products on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me there, and if you are coming from YouTube, then let me know. Just message me there, and yeah, that would be great to know you guys that you have come from YouTube. Okay, moving on. Next I got this Biotique's Bio Nectar face sunscreen. It's from their Bio Nectar range, and इसमें it comes with SPF 30, and yeah, I have already used this one, so I'm telling you it smells exactly like Bio Nectar. If you are a fan of Bio Nectar, you are going to love this. And yeah, this one is really good. it feels exactly like BioNectar, and it has SPF 30, so you should really try out this one. Next I got this lip balm from Biotic. This is their Bio Berry one, and talking about this, I've used this one also. There's nothing like plumbing lip balm or something जो भी इन्होंने लिखा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It doesn't plumb your lips. I didn't feel any tingling sensation also on my lips. And yeah, it comes in this bottle, so yeah, again fingers से लगाना पड़ेगा and everything, but again it smells really good. This is how it is. It's so pigmented. It looks very pigmented, but it's not that pigmented on your lips. It gives that pink tint जो कि satisfying लगती है, unnatural नहीं लगती on your lips, and it smells really good. It smells actually like berries. I'm very happy buying this product, trust me. I wanted to try this Biotic's lip balm, and I'm very happy that I got one. And सच में बहुत अच्छी है. You guys should try this out. अगर आप you are someone जो ज़्यादा lipsticks and all में नहीं believe करता, and you want something that moisturizes your lips also, this one is good. I have these two hair oils. Okay, these are hair care products. I don't know, random. I am just going random. Okay, so yeah, I have this Bio Bhringraj, and you can see there's one difference that I really want to make here from Nykaa and Purple's Biotic ka saman. I don't know why they have this difference, but from Purple I got everything in their proper packaging. Like you can see, it still has that golden plastic foil on it. Sab mein hai abhi bhi. It's not tampered, it's not opened. And this is the thing, Nykaa pe kai baar I have just received products ऐसे ही. See, you can check here also. अभी भी इसका plastic wrap अभी भी it's still there. See, okay, I don't know if it's visible or not, but yeah, अभी भी इस box के ऊपर plastic की wrap है. Okay, this ensures that the product is not tampered. Okay, so yeah, I got these two hair oils. One is Bio Bhringraj. I have used this. A big fan of this hair oil. It's very helpful for my hair. Hair fall कम नहीं करता है. Maybe because for this changing weather and everything, hair fall के बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं. I won't just blame it to a hair oil, but yeah, ये normally for just nourishing my hair, it's very good. I really love using this one. And next, for the first time, I'm trying this Bio Flame of the Forest hair oil. I don't know इसमें क्या है क्या नहीं. It looks like hibiscus, but पता नहीं, it can be something else also. I'm not going into the details of the products, so yeah, I will try this one also. Let me know if you want to know how I felt about these hair oils and everything. YouTube पे नहीं, Instagram पे जाओ, वहाँ पे मुझे comment करना, and you can check my stories. I might put up on my stories as well. Okay, next we have Good Vibes के products. So this one is their vitamin E body lotion, hydrating body lotion. I hope this is hydrating. मैंने already इसको खोल लिया है. Even this was in proper plastic का packet, and it smells. It has this mild fragrance, not that harsh, and yeah, it says it has no parabens, no sulfates, and it's cruelty free. So I thought of trying this, and again it's का MRP 195 है, and I got it for 140 bucks I think, and it's a 200 ml bottle. And next there is vitamin C, 20% vitamin C age defying serum. Okay, let's see. Oh, it comes with the pump also. Wow, that is great. And I think yeah, it's for 225, and I got this for, okay, yeah, I got this serum for 171 rupees. So our skincare is over. Oh no, I have one more product from Biotic. It's their soya protein shampoo, hair fresh nourishing shampoo. So again, I try using less chemicals on my hair, and this purchase is one of that. Now moving on to makeup products. Again, this came in all this packaging stuff. ज़्यादा नहीं मंगाया है मैंने makeup from Purple, and because there is a bummer, मैं already Nykaa से order कर चुकी थी, and then I switched to Purple. But yeah, this is a very hyped product. I have heard lot about this product. This is Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer. I'm in the shade, I don't know I'm in which shade from Swiss Beauty, but मैंने order किया just by randomly देख के order किया है मैंने. Let's see कौन सी shade है ये यार. ओ हाँ, light moyen है ये, 03 in the shade 03. Okay, packaging is amazing. It looks so luxe. 199 rupees का पड़ा है मुझे. Let's see, we'll put up a review on the channel. And the last product is Blue Heaven's sketch eyeliner, and they have slashed the price from 225 to 150. Let me tell you that मेरे को ये पड़ा for only 105 rupees. Like 100 rupees का ये पड़ा. 105, चलो 5 रुपये ज़्यादा, 105 रुपये का पड़ा. आई वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी बाइंग दिस फ्रॉम पर्पल बिकॉज ये चीज़ इतने की ही पड़ रही थी, 150 की ही मिल रही थी नाइका पे. एंड ये चीज़ मेरे को सेम प्रोडक्ट उससे भी स्लैश्ड प्राइस पे मिला पर्पल पे, विच इज़ ग्रेट. दिस इज़ हाउ द स्केच पेन लुक्स. जस्ट अ शॉर्ट रिव्यू अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. मैं ऑलरेडी इसे यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. इट्स अमेजिंग फॉर बिगिनर्स, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू पुट ऑन दैट प्रॉपर विंग्ड लाइनर, यू शुड प्रैक्टिस विद अ स्केच पेन. एक स्केच आईलाइनर हमेशा आपको हेल्प करेगा फॉर दैट प्रॉपर प्रिसिशन इन योर विंग्स. ओके, वैसे भी इफ़ यू आर न्यू in applying eyeliner and stuff, or you always start with the kajal or with this sketch eyeliner. It will be very helpful for you. So that was it for the purple mini haul. I got all of this stuff that I mentioned right now under 1500 rupees. Total to be paid was 1445. It was a huge discount, and I think sale is still going on Purple. You can check out all the products that are your favorites, and thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.